Hi, I'm Dr. Matt Jennings, Professor of History at Middle Georgia State University, and I'm on native ground. In this case, Okmulgee Mounds National Historical Park, the ancestral homelands of Muskogee and Yuchi peoples. In my first class for Osher, Native Ground, we explored the diversity of early Native America and the varied indigenous responses to the presence of outsiders on native homelands. Reclaiming Native Ground picks up the story in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a decidedly low point in Native American history. Native communities found that military resistance to American expansion and consolidation only brought on more violence. The boarding school system sought to erase Native cultures, and the effects of imperialism conspired to keep Native people in a subordinate status to their white neighbors. And yet, at just this low point, Native nations began to rebuild and reclaim the United States as native ground. In some instances, Native communities relied on ancient traditions to revitalize themselves. Native people fought for their rights within the American court system, the American political system, and in the court of public opinion. This struggle unfolded in and near reservation communities, as well as on the streets of American cities. The story continues in the early 21st century. Indigenous people and Native nations have proven themselves resilient and powerful. I hope you'll join me and the Osher Lifelong Learning Institute online for Reclaiming Native Ground, Indigenous America since 1900.